Are you looking at purchasing a new Garmin watch but would like the ability to customize it to your own preferences? If so, this video will show you how to easily create a personal watch using Garmin's Your Watch, Your Way website. This program is only available online. Please note that since this watch is customized just for you, it is not eligible for returns in the US. However, it will come back with our 1-year manufacturer warranty. If you have any questions about the product, visit support.garmin.com for assistance. This feature is only available in certain regions. To find out if your watch Your Way is available where you live, visit the link in the description. Now let's get started with creating our Garmin Your Watch Your Way selection. For this video, we are using a Fenix 6 series watch as our example. To begin, visit garmin.com/your-watch-your-way to select a product family, or select Your Watch, Your Way from the main product page. Next, we will choose the edition type that aligns with the features we are looking for. We provided some of the main features for each edition. However, if you are having a difficult time picking out the right one for you, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Learn More. Under Need Help Choosing a Model, you will be directed to the main product page to review all of the available products for that series. Once you have located the edition you prefer, select it to continue. In this video, we will be selecting the Fenix 6S Pro and Sapphire Edition. Here we can choose our desired case style. The arrows indicate your current selection. A description of the case will be listed below the case image. To learn more about the Your Watch Your Way feature, scroll down to see what is included with your purchase, the expected ship date, and our FAQs. When ready, select Choose Band to continue. Scroll over the available band options. A description of the band will be listed below the band image. After you have selected your preferred band, click Add to Cart. You will see a summary of the selections for the Your Watch, Your Way kit that you have selected. Please note that leather and metal band selections for the Fenix series will also automatically add a second predetermined silicone band to the cart. Select View Cart to be directed to the checkout process. Once you have received your kit, simply attach the bands to the watch body. Then follow the Quick Start guide to set up your new Garmin watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.